Medical abbreviation meaning. RX, treatment. HX, history. DX, diagnose. Q, every. QD, every day. QOD, every other day. QH, every hour. SS, 1.5. CC, with. S, without. SOS, if needed. AC, before meal. PC, after meal. BID, twice a day. TID, thrice a day. QID, 4 times a day. OD, once a day. BT, bedtime. HS, at bedtime. BBF, before breakfast. BD, before dinner. TW, twice a week. SQ, subcutaneous. IM, intramuscular. ID, intradermal. IV, intravenous. QAM, every morning. QPM, every evening. Q4H, every 4 hours. QOD, every other day. PRN, if necessary. PO, by mouth. G, grams. MG, milligrams. MCG/UG, micrograms. 1 TSF, 1 teaspoon, 5 ml. 1 TBS, 1 tablespoon, 15 ml. GTT, drops per minute. AMT, amount. BMI, body mass index. CBC, complete blood count. CVA, cerebrovascular accident. CPR, cardiopulmonary resuscitation. DNR, do not resuscitation. BPM, beats per minute. PR, pulse rate. RR, respiratory rate. BP, blood pressure. AMB, ambulatory. AX, auxiliary. C, centigrade Celsius. CA, cancer. CAT, catheter, catheterize. CL, leak. Clear liquids. DC or D/C, discontinue. ECG, electrocardiogram. F, Fahrenheit. FX, fracture. H or /HR, hour. HT, height. IV, intravenous. L, left or liter. ML or ml, small letter, milliliter. O2, oxygen, chemical abbreviation. PT, patient. Q, every. Stat, immediately. TX or RX, treatment. UA or U/A, urinalysis. W/C, wheelchair. Acronym meaning. VS or V/S, vital sign. UTI, urinary tract infection. URI, upper respiratory infection. TPR, temperature, pulse, respiration. TPN, total parenteral nutrition. TIA, transient ischemic attack. TID, 3 times a day. STD, sexually transmitted disease. SOB, shortness of breath. ROM, range of motion. QID, 4 times a day. QH, every hour. PO, by mouth. PM or PM, afternoon or evening. Based on Latin, post-meridian acronym. PC, after meals. Based on Latin, post-cibum acronym. OOB, out of bed. N and V, nausea and vomiting. NPO or small letter NPO, nothing by mouth, based on Latin, nil per os/oris acronym. NOC or NOCT, night, Latin translation. Nil, none, Latin translation. NIDDM, non-insulin independent diabetes mellitus. MI, myocardial infarction, heart attack. INO, intake and output. I is for intake, O for output. IDDM, insulin independent diabetes mellitus. HS or HS, small letter, hour of sleep. HOB, head of bed. HBV, hepatitis B virus. HIV, human immunodeficiency virus. FF, forced fluids. FBS, fasting blood sugar. DOB, date of birth. DNR, do not resuscitate. CVA, cerebral vascular accident, stroke. CPR, cardiopulmonary resuscitation. C/O, complaints of. cc, cubic centimeter, BP or B/P, blood pressure. BM or BM, small letter, bowel movement. BKA, below the knee, amputation. BID, twice a day, based on Latin, bis in die acronym. AM, morning. AKA, above the knee, amputation. AIDS, acquired immunodeficiency syndrome. ADL, activities of daily living. A.C or AC, small letter, before meals. So, sana may natutunan kayo sa video na ito, lalo na sa ating mga nursing student dyan at sa mga family ng ating mga pasyente na hindi malaman o maintindihan ang mga sinulat ni doktor. So guys, kung nagustuhan niyo ang video na to, please don't forget to like and subscribe para sa susunod kong mga video is updated kayo. Thank you and bye!